For the past 2 years, I have been studying and looking for different opportunities to earn money online. And my goal was always to find the way how I could make myself a passive income, so I could be financially free, time freedom, so I can spend time with my family, travel whenever I like. And when I looked around in internet, I found that a lot of people are making money with selling other people's products, and it's called affiliate marketing. So basically, you get paid, you get commissions for promoting or selling other people's products or companies' products. But every time I found something, it was also so popular that every second person already sold it. And it was so viral that there was no point to start selling it. Until this December 2018, I found some really amazing affiliate program that is not so viral yet. There is only 4,000 people are promoting it, so it's amazing platform. And I'm going to share my screen and show you what I have found. And I'm pretty sure that with this platform, this is digital platform, there is a possibility to earn 5 figures, 6 figures easily already in this year. I'm sure I'm going to earn at least 5 figures with this platform already this year. So I'm going to share my screen. And if you want to be in my team, I'm going to give you all what I have learned past 2 years, all stuff about Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, how to get traffic to your landing pages without Facebook ads. I'm going to give you away all these tools. If you click below this video, there is a link, and just register there. This platform has 7-day trial. And so you have 7 days to look and try it. And this platform is called Builderall. It's a digital marketing platform. This is like one tool for everything. This platform allows you, this basically, if you have heard about ClickFunnels, then this platform is basically just like ClickFunnels. Only difference that it's 2 times cheaper, and he has much better affiliate program. And that was really exciting for me. And I'm going to show you briefly what this platform can offer. So basically, you can make different web pages in this platform. You can make sales funnels. You have your email autoresponder already in this platform. Plus, you have different applications. You can make Facebook chatbots here. You can make auto posts for your Facebook page. You can make even training courses here. Here is absolutely amazing tool, is script generator, which if you don't have any good ideas for your ads, then the script generator is made by very professional copywriters, and it gives you really good ideas. Also, it has Design Studio where you can design your pictures, videos, whatever you like. Even we have here webinar platform, so you can even make webinars here. So here is like pre-made sales funnels and web pages where you just have to basically change your links and they are ready to go. But the best part of this platform is the affiliate program, and I'm going to show you how crazy it is. I was really shocked when I first saw it. So here is the earning calculator, and there is like 3 different things what are really amazing. First thing is that this platform, if you take the business package, it costs you $49.90, let's say $50 per month. And if I sell one license, then for the first month, I get 100% commissions. And this is absolutely amazing. So if someone under me is going to purchase this platform, then he pays $50 and basically I get $50. I get 100% of the 100% commissions from the first month. And it's called recurring payment. So it's monthly payment. And if he keeps on using this platform, then from the second month, I get 30% from his payment, 30% from the second month. So first month, I get 100%, and from the second month, I get 30%. So these percentages are absolutely amazing. I haven't found anything like that in my past 2 years, what has so crazy commissions. And this is not it. The most interesting part that allows, I think, everyone to earn absolutely crazy amount of money with this platform is that he has 2 generations commissions. What does it mean? It means that if you registering under this video, you're clicking this link and you're registering and you're starting to promote it, then I earn first month, I earn 100% from your payment, and after from second month I earn 30%, okay? But if you found someone who also starting to promote it, then I earn from your prospect also 30% every month. So it's 2 generations. So even if I have no one and you have 10 people, then I earn $150 anyway. So I show you in this earning calculators how it looks like. Here is free boxes. How many licenses can you sell in 1 year? Okay, let's say it's 1 month. Let's say I can sell 10 licenses per month. It means my immediate earnings will be 449 euros. And the second, and my monthly income would be from the second month, I would earn 134 euro 70 cents. That's the 30%. But how, let's say I have 10 people under me. So let's say how many will work also as affiliates. Let's say they all 10 will also start to promoting it. And how many are these people can sell with 1 month? Let's say also 10 licenses. Can you see what happened here? It means I found directly only 10 people, and these 10 found also 10 people. And that means, but that's not the pyramid. That's it. That's only 2 generations. I won't earn from the 3rd generation. It's only first 2 generations. That's the difference between pyramid and affiliate marketing. So basically, you can earn with 1 month already. From the second month, you can earn already almost 1,500 euros per month. This is absolutely amazing. So that's the really amazing part of this product. And you can use the same platform for promoting it. You can make all your landing pages, all your sales funnels in the same platform what you are selling. That is absolutely blown me away. And if I saw that you get 100% from the first sale and 30% from second month, and you get it from 2 generations, then there is I haven't found past 2 years, nothing like that. Usually they offer maybe 15, 20%, but this is absolutely crazy. And this is not viral yet. There is not so many people around the world who are promoting it. So it's everybody will, I have heard a lot of people are coming from ClickFunnels to Builderall because it's 2 times cheaper than ClickFunnels. Plus it has much better affiliate program. So if you feel that this could be something for you, then just click on the link below under this video, and I send you, after you register, I get your email and I show you my earnings, how I earned. With the first week, I already earned like 200 euros with few days. I show you my earnings. Just a moment. I open my earnings, and here you can see how does it work. I haven't done any paid traffic yet, and I have also already earned $230. And as you can see, January 3rd, this year, it was like 3 days ago. Plan value, the person paid $49.90 and I earned $48.15. So it's basically 100%. So that's how it works. So it's absolutely amazing. You can use the same platform to promote it and you earn like 100% commissions. So please click on the link below this video and I send you, I show you also what I will send you. I send you all the different trainings what I have learned past 2 years. Every step-by-step trainings about Facebook, even starting with how to make your fan page, how to build landing page, how to make your first Facebook ad, what to do. This Facebook advertising is not so easy. I have studied it 2 years. I have a lot of tricks how to get more traffic to your landing page, and so on and so on. Also, I have very good tools for Instagram. Instagram is absolutely amazing today. It's growing and it's really good way to promote your business. And also I send you different tools and trainings how to get traffic from Instagram and how to promote your product in Instagram. Also how to get quality traffic without Facebook ads. Step-by-step trainings how to get absolutely quality traffic to your landing page, to your offer without any Facebook ads. So if that sounds good to you, then just click on the link below. There is a free trial, 7-day trial registration. So you don't need to add any credit card information, just your name and email, and you get access to this amazing platform. And after that, I will send you all the trainings you need. This platform has over 200 different training videos, plus I give you all the training from my side. So please click on the link below and get registered, and let's get started.